Question number 8. 12 students are in a class and they were due to sit 2 tests. One student was absent for test 1, a different student was absent for test 2. The marks are shown in the table and we've got a scatter diagram. So the class teacher says one student's pair of results could be an outlier. So which one do we think it is? And if we look at this data, we can kind of see that we've got a nice trend through here indicating that that one is more than likely to be the outlier. What about this mess? I can't rub it out. Brilliant. Let's go there and do that way. So this has got a big value of 74 for Y. And I've identified that it's student E. So student E is going to be our outlier. Calculate the equation of the regression line of Y on X and do not include the outlier. What I'm also going to do, because I don't have complete data for these two guys, is I'm going to exclude L and I'm going to exclude H. Now, the next thing we need to do in order to get this regression line is to go into our calculator and use the table function. So I've got to come out of what I was just doing for question 7, and I've got some stuff in that table. If I use F6, F4, I can delete everything, and then F1 to confirm. Just need to do that for my other one. Okay, so list 1, I'm going to use for X. So 21, 87, 52, 76. I'm just going to also make note that I'm ignoring those bits because the data has to pair up with those coordinates. There we go. So 7 bits of data, is that correct? Yeah, we had 10 kids. I've taken 3 out. And then we've got 40, 75, 41, 75, 51, 62, 33, 41, 65. I've just done what I said I wasn't going to do. So when we make a mistake like that, we'll just delete it all. And we start again. 40, 75, 41, 75, 51, 62, 33, 41, 65. That has not worked. Sorry, team. Let's give it one more go. This is not me trying to get watch hours. So 40, 75, 41, 75. We then go to... I've missed out a couple. Okay. I'm going to make sure that my data is correct. You make sure that you make your data correct as well. 51, 62, because I am missing 56, 76. Okay, so now that I've got my 9 pieces of data, of course it's 9 because they've excluded the 2 from their scatter diagram as well. I'm ready to now run what I want to find, which is the regression line. So it's F2 I'm going to hit, which is going to say calc, and then F3 for my regression line. Then it's going to say F1 for X. We don't want to square or do anything with the data. And then I'm going to put F1 so that we get AX plus B. So that's gone through. And that is exactly the same as what I got earlier. So it says A equals 0.6329 and B equals 18.9977. So when I put that into my graph, I'm going to get Y equals 0.63x, and then we'll round that to plus 19. So that will be our regression line. Let me just rewrite that. Y equals 0.63x plus 19. And then finally, just to finish this off, we need to estimate those missing marks. So our first one, 27 times by 0.63, and then add the 19 on, gives us 36.01. So that's for student H. They must have got 27 on that first test. And then for the other one, x times by 0.63 plus 19 is going to equal 49. So 0.63x will equal 30, and x will equal whatever 30 divided by 0.63 is, which is 47.619, and that gives us 48 if we round it. Okay, question 8 continues on that next page. Let's turn over. Thought I was done. Okay, so each student is awarded an overall grade based on their total mark. Which students are awarded grade 3? So we've got to add these together, 61 162, 93, 161, 108, 107, 138. We're using that estimate, so we're allowed to sort of predict a mark for those guys. 48, 59, 78, going up here, 127 and 193. The total marks, 1254 divided by 12 gives us 104.5, and then we need to multiply that by 0.8 as per that formula. So in here we've got m, which is our mean. We've found our mean, so we multiply by 0.18, which is 83.6, and we multiply by 1.1, which is 114.95. So we're looking for values that fall within there. So change the pen color, 93, that's in there. 108, 107 are within that boundary. And then finally, we've got a big score there. I've put 193 there. That's not 193, that's 93. And that would fall within there as well. So our final answer for that one is 4 pupils. And that's the end of the paper. Good luck for your exams. I hope you go out there and you smash it. Of course, watch the content, spread the word, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.